Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you a software that helps you increase the number of comments, shares and likes on TikTok. Here's the software interface. As you can see, the left sidebar lists many features, but I will focus on the live interaction feature. So, in this account management section, you can add an unlimited number of accounts here. Adding an account is also very simple. Just click on add account, then select your account. There are several options such as username, password and everything else here. In general, if you're not specialized in this part, you can let me know so I can add it for you. It's also very simple. That's it. And furthermore, each account will be assigned its own proxy to ensure security. That's it. So you might ask, how do you assign proxies effectively? Each proxy can be assigned to about 2 to 4 accounts, and 3 is considered safe. For example, if you have 100 accounts, right? Then you would need about 33 proxies and that would be fine. That's it. Alright, assigning proxies is also very simple. You just click here on proxy management. Here you'll see sections for static proxies and dynamic proxies. Now, you just need to contact me so I can help you set it up directly. And to increase interaction during your live stream session, you click on the setting function section here. The setting function, you can just think of it as a feature that boosts your live stream session. Here there are several types of settings such as live stream, video, keyword, UID or even hashtag. That's it. It will act just like a real person, for example, watching a video or live stream for a certain number of seconds. Here, I am setting it to 60 to 120 seconds, and within the first 1 to 30 seconds, it will like, comment and share the video or the live stream. That's it. So that's how it works. You can prepare the comments in advance. This is also very simple. I use ChatGPT and I input it for my clients. For example, if I'm live streaming about cosmetics, I can go to ChatGPT and type, "I'm live streaming about cosmetics, please give me around 100 comments to set up." That's it. So just understand that setting here means boosting. There you go. After that, you just paste it directly in here. If you only want to do 1 or 2 sessions, if you just want to have 1 or 2 comments during the live stream, like 2 hellos or any other comment, then you can go here to the upload content bid win section. Here, you just need to enter 2 pieces of content, or you can also enter bid content if you want. Then the software, these accounts will automatically repeat the comments. Before that, you need to be prepared in advance. It means you always have to prepare ahead of time. Here, for example, this is a live stream session, a live about lipsticks, right? So you will have to first search on TikTok, meaning you look at all the products related to this lipstick, these cosmetics or anything beauty related, so that these accounts can interact with this live session first, allowing the system to recognize, this account is interested in this product. So after I watch someone else's live session, I will bring customers along to watch the live stream. That's it. Because the most important thing is to target the right customers, not just to get a lot of views or interactions. Exactly. Then after you're done, you just copy it here. You will paste the live stream session here. That's it. After that, you select the account. For example, this account here, I've already used it for a previous live stream, a live stream about cosmetics. So then I just choose the desired option. Once that's done, click start and the software will run automatically for you. Here, as you can see on the screen, my software automatically sends comments. See that? Although it's a bit off. That's see it's just